Guess who's back? It's me again. I am checking in with you guys because it is that time of the month. I'm not talking about that other time of the month. I'm talking about that time of the month when I get ready to show off a new unboxing of what is in my Ipsy Glam Bag, okay? So I am here with you guys tonight after returning from having a lovely evening earlier tonight with something that arrived to me in the mail yesterday, and it is my monthly unboxing, and it looks like this. This is really cute. I love this bag because it is gold sequin and it has a black like leather like exterior on the back, and it also says Ipsy at the bottom. It's just a really cute bag. And this is something that I can throw in one of my larger bags when I just want to go out for an evening on the town and I want something a little fancy to throw my little makeup in. This would be the bag that I would use. So yeah, I really like this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dive on in and see what we got this month, okay? As usual, they put the usual fare in here. But I like this. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. That's what it says. Really cute. Okay, what are we going to pull out of the bag first? Okay, let's start off with this one. This one is a really nice item. This is called Quay Scalp and Root Scrub. And it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it looks like that. And I think this smells like lemongrass because it smells really, really good. It has like a little protective lid on the top that has like a little hook clasp up there, right there, so that you can slip your finger up underneath there and just pull it up. And it is a true scrub. It looks like this. Oh my God, it's so bright up here. But it looks like that, if you can see that. Oh, it smells like heaven. It smells so freaking good. I have yet to use this because, like I said, I just got this in, but the texture is really, really nice. It's grainy, of course, but it's a rich, thick emollient, and it feels like silk on the skin, and it smells so heavenly. I'm going to assume that this is lemongrass because this is what it's reminiscent of. It smells like lemongrass to me. So I'm definitely going to use this on my skin, and it's also good as a scalp stimulator too. So that's the first I've ever heard of any type of body scrub that you can use to, you know, like scrub your scalp. So we're going to test this out to see how well it goes. It smells heavenly, guys. Trust me, I'm going to find this in a large size because it smells really, really nice. I love that so much, but it feels really, really good on the skin too. So I'm going to try this out. The second item up for grabs in my goodie bag is, drum roll please, it is a brush. It looks like this. It's protected in plastic, and it's a nice blender brush. I like this. It's really skinny though. This one is by a company called Farrah, and I don't know if you can see the name right there, Farrah. And I like the fact that it has indented handles right here for easy grip application, but it's really, really soft and nice. It reminds me of my Morphe E27 brush, almost similar. See how that looks? But it has a white head on it. So this is a nice brush. I can't wait to try this out. So this should be really, really interesting to see how well this performs when I apply my eyeshadows. Okay, the third item in my bag in here is, what is this? This is a Stowaway eyeliner, and it looks like this. You can see what that says right there. And it's a really small eyeliner. I guess this would be like a travel size right here, but that's what it looks like, and it says Stowaway right there on the item. And you pop it off and it looks like this. It has a twist tube. You can see it come out right there, and it's a black eyeliner, and it goes on really, really dark and effortless too. So I really like that about this. I'm going to definitely try this out. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't skip. It doesn't feel drying or anything like that. So this should be interesting to use as to using this as a dry, like, crown eyeliner, because I'm used to using liquid eyeliners when I put my eyeliners on. So, yeah. Okay, the next item in here is, ooh, okay. It's a balm. The Balm is by the company called The Balm. It's called Take Home the Bronze. And this happens to be a anti-orange bronzer for the face. And it looks like that. You can see that. Okay. I love the Balm products. I have a lot of their eyeshadows, and as you can see in my previous Ipsy unboxings, I've gotten several single eyeshadows from them. So this is the first item that I've gotten from them that is a bronzer. I happen to have their highlighter, by the way, to which I love, the Mary Luminizer. So I tend to use that quite a bit because it's so pretty and it gives such a natural glow. But this is what the bronzer looks like inside the packaging. And like I said, it has a nice anti-orange undertone to it. So it should go on the skin pretty neutral to where it doesn't leave that garish, fugly orange undertone on your skin and make me look brighter and redder than what I already do. But that's what it looks like on the finger. I doubt if this... Okay, it'll give a subtle like contour on the skin. So this is what it looks like right here. If you can see that, like right there. Really nice. It's like a subtle anti-orange bronze that you can apply to your skin, and it looks really, really nice. You can see that. Okay. Okay. The last item in the bag, because I've already shown you 4 products, they put a bonus item in the bag for the month of December. Happens to be a blush, and it's called Skinny Dip by a company called Raising Ferdinand. I guess that's how you say it. It came in a bubble wrap plastic packaging like this that I took it out of. And it's a pan blush that looks like this. Oh, there we go. It looks like that. It's really pretty. It's a subtle, cool tone, peachy type of blush with brown undertones to it. It's just really, really pretty. And it looks like this on the skin. It's real subtle. If you're looking for a natural glow from within type of blush with a like brown based rose undertone to it, that would be it right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right there. If you can see that, it's like right there. The lighting is awful around my table, but you can see it right next to the bronzer. That subtle peach warm brown color. It's really, really pretty, and I can't wait to use this in a makeup look. I'm going to be doing a series of makeup tutorials real soon. That's going to be affordable drugstore makeup tutorials that you can try at home, as well as a look that I can do with mostly Ipsy bag unboxing products. So we'll see what we come up with once I start using these products, and you know, we can do a creative look with the items that I get from the company. So that concludes my Ipsy bag unboxing for the month of December. Unfortunately, they will discontinue after this month. I think I pretty much had my run on my fill of my little items that I get from Ipsy, seeing as I have a vast makeup collection, and there's nothing wrong with receiving these items. I just feel like they're okay, you know. So after this, there will probably be no more of these unboxings, but I do enjoy the products. I may, you know, rejoin sometime in the near future. Who knows? But as of right now, I love the items. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Ipsy. Nothing against y'all. You know what I'm saying. But like I said, I will be doing a series of affordable makeup drugstore tutorials that you can try at home yourself. So be sure to stay close to my channel so that you will see those videos coming up soon. I thank you guys for coming in and, you know, sharing or viewing this video with me and checking me out. And until next time, I will check back in with you guys at a later date. Okay, bye my superstars. Love, peace, and happiness to you all. And happy holidays. We're a few days out from Christmas, which is Tuesday. So I hope you enjoy your holidays with your family, friends, and loved ones. And you be blessed and you have a safe Merry Christmas, okay? All right, guys. Bye. Mwah.